how to set up Ring Doorbell without QR code. So go ahead to your Ring Doorbell app, make sure your device is ready. You can go ahead to the top left corner and go to your dashboard, but if you're already there, press on Setup a Device. So you're gonna be brought to the scanner already. You need to scan your QR code on your Ring device, but you also have the option to do it manually. Over here in the Setup a non-Ring device or choose manually. So you can still choose a Ring device, but in your case, let's say manually. Now over here, what product are you setting up? You can go ahead and choose on doorbells, and then you can find your exact model or whatever kind of model you're going for. So the process can be slightly different, but they do have a general the same idea. So let's say we're here, the wired doorbell elite, the second gen, and then you're gonna have to put in your 5-digit pin code underneath on the QR code, underneath the QR code on your device. If you're having a hard time, you can press on this, which is help you find your QR code. It should look something like that. Right below your QR code, it's a 5-digit number. But if you can't find a QR code, you could try removing the faceplate or battery cover and check the backside everywhere around the Ring doorbell itself. But as long as you find it, just go ahead and place it here. Let's say maybe you're having a hard time scanning the QR code. You do have that 5-digit pin code option. After that, you just go ahead and follow the step-by-step instructions and you will be able to set up your Ring doorbell. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.